Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and today we have a new unboxing. That is right, we're unboxing a cell phone, a smartphone, a device, a super-powered handheld thing for my life. But which one is it? It is none other than the OnePlus 9 Pro. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking to yourself, why did you get the OnePlus 9 Pro? I don't know. I just felt like it was something I needed to do. I didn't get the OnePlus 8 refresh. The OnePlus 8 Pro was phenomenal. OnePlus makes super solid devices. This device in particular is geared a little bit more towards the camera buffs as being the, well, I don't know. Let's get into it and see what we have. The OnePlus 9 Pro has been left on the table for a lot of content creators out there. A lot of people citing that it's not exciting or it's not something that they want to get. And the device is just kind of not really that exciting. So I thought to myself, is this a device that I want to use? Now, I personally have faith in OnePlus and their ability to deliver a new Pro flagship device. But will this device be good enough to make me walk away from my daily Android use, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra? So today we are opening up the OnePlus 9 Pro, and I do think that I got some other goodies in the box as well. Eager to get inside of here. There's a lot of stuff in here and actually see what it is that I ordered because I forgot. We open it up that way. Guys, contents of the box.
What's in the box?
I can't remember, but I think this thing cost like $1,000. I'm trying to remember the purchase price. Oh my God, these are so cool. Look at these little guys. That is really, really cool. Wow. But I did not watch the OnePlus 9 Pro launch event, so I wasn't really too sure what these are. These are Steve Harrington edition. I don't know who Steve Harrington is, but once we have our OnePlus 9 Pro all set up, we'll Google who Steve Harrington is together. So these look super cool. Why can't I get the whole phone like this? This would be funky. Wow. Look at these little guys. I'm more excited about these buds than I am the actual phone at this point. So we're gonna put that over there. We're gonna play with you later. And we have the... So back of the box here, it says that I got the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G. Now, whether or not this will work on the Verizon 5G network is yet to be determined. More to come later. 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. Comes in pine green, like my shirt, like my little baby Yoda. Ooh, look at this. So here is the actual device. We will dig into that. Let's see what box goodies we have. There we go. Feels like there's some stuff in here. Nothing really. Ooh, with some new stickers and a quick start guide. I'm one of those people that when I was a kid and I got a new cell phone, I would sit down and read the instruction manual start to finish because I didn't want to miss out on any features of the device. Things are a little bit different now. Wow, this is a charging brick. Holy moly. This thing warp charge 65 out the box. This is a beast, and I'm super happy. Oh my God, my heart is literally rejoicing right now that OnePlus gave us USB-C to USB-C in this gorgeous red cable. I'm so excited about that. It bothered me so much that they would send this brick with this awesome cable and it was the USB-B to USB-C. And I'm like, it's so annoying, so annoying. So I'm really glad to see they stepped that up. I usually leave chargers in the box for resale of my devices, but when it comes to OnePlus, the chargers are so amazing. I like to take them out of the box and use them in my life and then just give one to someone when they actually buy the device or if I trade it in. So here is the actual phone. I know you're like, when are we gonna get to the phone? Right now, calm down. So here it is. for all you weirdos out there. My God, I already touched it and feel like I violated the screen. Let's go ahead and take a quick little interview of the actual device. So going ahead and taking a look. So we have the slider here. So you have mute, vibrate, or actual sound. That most likely is our power button. Over here, it looks like we have our volume rockers, and we have that top there. But this camera, this is the new thing that we're all supposed to be excited about right now. Is this camera is, it's got a Hasselblad, is that how you say it? Hasselblad? Hasselblad? The big thing is Hasselblad gave OnePlus some color science settings. They basically helped tune their camera. Now, what would be impressive is if Hasselblad made a camera and OnePlus put it in here. That would be cool. But from what I gather, they really pushed this logo. They pushed this feature. This is the first year that they're collabing together. So hopefully at the OnePlus 9 Pro Plus refresh, I forgot what their second, they always do another device like 6 months later. So if they do another one 6 months later, hopefully they go ahead and they actually put some hardware in there from a camera company versus just tuning it or using the color science. So we have our SIM ejector tool down there. I will be putting my main SIM, my main Android SIM, let's be real, into this device. So let's go ahead and turn it on and get going, and let's see what we're gonna be able to do with this thing. Okay, so here we are unlocking our OnePlus 9 Pro. Unlocked super quick, pretty cool animation. OnePlus 9 Pro looks good, feels great. The camera is actually a pretty cool mod back there. If you go ahead and look, you've got your two big cameras, a couple little ones, and then some sensors. A whole lot of stuff going on. But we're gonna go ahead and show you just when I first get a device, couple things I do from the very beginning, like to go ahead and make this device mine, is I always go ahead and I change the on-screen gestures. You can usually find that setting by going there, by going home screen, and you can change those things. So navigation bar and gestures, so we can come over here. So navigation gestures, or you can have the fixed home screen buttons on the bottom. I, of course, always prefer the on-screen gestures. So another thing I like to go ahead and always do out the box is go to my beloved dark mode. Over here is, looks like a little button. They're calling it Vision Comfort. So let me just activate that and see what happens. It's hiding right in front of me. So there we go, dark mode activated, looks phenomenal. This has got some reverse charging built into it, all sorts of cool stuff. So this is, in my opinion, a very typical OnePlus Android device. Holding it, does it feel pro? It feels really pro. It looks pro. I've never quite had a cell phone this color before. It matches my shirt, so I'm pretty excited about that. It looks phenomenal. It feels good. Let's go ahead and just take a couple photos and share those with you and see what we have going on. So by just turning my device, I don't know, the thing like new to kind of switch over, what's this button? So some filters there. This is me putting the autofocus to the test. I like to see how good autofocuses are, especially on these close-up shots. It's not so bad. There's that camera there, and now autofocus. The autofocus is actually really good. Tilt shift. What is this? So we've got some features here that I'm not really too sure what they are, but it comes standard with, you know, some good stuff, a nice little pro mode, a nightscape, some slow motion. Go ahead and flip her around, and let's get a portrait mode going and see what this looks like. Not really too bad. I actually like it. Zooming in, that is a nice, good, clear photo. Here it is, guys. You're wondering, OnePlus 9 Pro, is it worth it? Should I get it? Should I upgrade? Honestly, in today's cell phone market with all of these phenomenal options, the question is, do you need to upgrade? Is it the device you have good enough? Is this worth spending the $1,000+ in order to get it? I'm really not too sure yet. What I can share with you is looks, feels, the weight. I love how OnePlus's phones are always just a little bit slimmer than S20 Ultra or the S20. I think they always fit phenomenal in my hand. I ended up using the OnePlus 8 Pro as my main Android device, and at that time I was Android full-time daily driver more than any other device of last year. So I think I'm really going to enjoy this device. If we're going off of aesthetics, it's a cell phone, right? Nothing's really popping tremendously, but this camera and how the camera hump is not even that ginormous is actually a little bit impressive on OnePlus part, because if you look at the camera hump on the S21 Ultra, which is a giant monster, this looks phenomenal. All right, guys, there you have it. Thanks for watching the video today. If you like this video or you want to see more videos like this, or you just want to see more of me, because you know I want to see more of you, all you got to do is hit that like, comment, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here at For the Love of Tech Community, head down to the comment section and leave me a comment and let me know that this is your first time here, because I would like to properly welcome you to the For the Love of Tech community. Till next time, namaste.